everybody, so it's me. It's my little cute cat. She looks adorable. She's living in my backyard. Hello, kitty. Hello, what are you doing here? Come here. I have food. She's hungry. Oh my god, she looks so cute. Mia. Mimi. Oh my gosh, she has eyebrows. I didn't know that I have eyebrows. You can kind of see that. Let me make it bigger. She's adorable. Look at her. You didn't know Mia was cute. Just kidding, I did. She's like the best. Look at her. She's so cute. Mia, you're cute. You're cute. You little cute kitty. You're cute. Look how I'm gonna pat her. No, just keep sleeping. Good kitty. I don't know why she's sleeping in the backyard. She's so cute. Look at her. We planted some pumpkins and it grew hecka fast. Ow, that hurts. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I didn't know Mia was cute. Are you cute, Mia? Hello. You want a picture here? You want a picture? You want a picture? She's so cute. Look how cute she is. She's like the best cat in the whole entire world. Oh my gosh, she's cute. Mia, you're cute. She doesn't like me touching her over there. I don't know why. You're dusty. You have to take a shower, you little Mia. Good job, Mia. I love you. Bye, Mia. So yeah, that was the video. I know I'm boring. Bye.